So here I have the Haloview MC7108 kit. This kit in and of itself will be very handy. However, Haloview also offers a side marker kit. So these cameras integrate seamlessly with this monitor. This monitor is designed to have multiple items displayed on the monitor at one time. So you would be able to display all three items on the screen, and to be perfectly honest, it's a 7-inch LCD screen, and with where it would be mounted on the dashboard, I suspect having the three monitors on there would be perfectly fine for almost every application. So let's get to it. Let's go get this installed on my 28-foot twist. Cover comes right off. The kit comes with self-tapping screws. Takes us to the setting for all three of the cameras. We have camera 4 on the top, camera 1 and camera 2 for the left side, and the right side indicators. And I want to show you where I'm going to put my monitor at. My monitor is mounted right here. It's actually suction cupped to the glass or plastic screen from the center console. So minus positioning of the camera in relation to what I can see in the truck, this is done. So we have got the trailer out here on the freeway for the first time for the road test. We've got the 3 cameras hooked up, the rear view camera and the 2 side blinker cameras. So the monitor for me is in a really good place. I'm able to utilize the gauges that are necessary for driving my truck, and also have full view of the cameras at all times. And they are definitely working very, very well. This is a fantastic addition to our camper.